Performing aura cleansing helps to establish spiritual balance by removing negative energies. This process enhances one's inner peace and energy levels, contributing to overall well-being. Accumulation of negative energies can lead to stress, anxiety, and emotional fatigue. Therefore, regularly cleansing your aura is crucial to restore your energy field and strengthen your spiritual health. Nature and importance of the aura. The aura is an energy field that surrounds a person and extends beyond the physical boundaries of the body. This field reflects our emotional, mental, and spiritual states and also absorbs energies from our environment. The aura is connected to our physical body and can affect our health and overall sense of well-being. You can maintain your aura energy by meditating daily and spending time in natural environments. Detecting and recognizing negative energy. Negative energies can manifest in various ways. Emotional symptoms like stress, anxiety, anger, and fatigue, or physical discomforts. We may also feel negative energy in certain places or interactions with specific people. When you feel negative energy, try to calm yourself by taking deep breaths and nourish positive thoughts to effectively manage this energy. Techniques and tools. There are various techniques available for aura cleansing and energy healing. Meditation and breathing exercises. Purifying negative energies by calming the mind and taking deep breaths. Crystals and stones. Crystals with cleansing properties, e.g. quartz family stones, can be used for aura cleansing. Soothing music and sound therapy. Balancing the energy field and clearing negativity with frequencies and vibrations. Energy healing and Reiki. Methods used to balance energy flow and support the body's own healing process. By regularly practicing your chosen technique, you can maintain and strengthen your energy balance. Energy healing and rebalancing. The process of cleansing negative energies involves balancing our energy centers, chakras, and ensuring the flow of energy. This process is crucial for restoring harmony between the body, mind, and spirit, positively impacting a person's overall health and spiritual balance. To balance your energy centers, regularly practice body-mind-spirit exercises such as yoga or tai chi. Daily practices and recommendations. Aura cleansing and energy healing can be supported by small steps practiced regularly. Daily meditation, relaxing the mind and body, reducing stress, and balancing energy through meditation. Spending time in nature. Walking in nature or spending time in green spaces is an effective way to refresh your energy and clear negativity. Positive communication and relationships. Spending time with positive people is essential for attracting positive energies and avoiding negative ones. By surrounding yourself with positive people and connecting with nature, you can elevate your energy and maintain your balance. We prepare weekly videos to enhance your spiritual and physical development. Stay tuned to increase your spiritual power and quality of life. Infinite light be with you.